My name is Paul Bartzo. I'm the Associate Athletic Director for Broadcast and Video Production at Pitt, aka Pitt Studios. Right now, what we're focused on is trying to open up this facility and give ESPN what they need in terms of supporting the ACC network. The university, however, we've got a little bit more of a grand vision, I'd say, and that is not just to create curriculum, but to become a really dominant force in the region in terms of storytelling, in terms of filmmaking, and turning out people to work in electronic media. The University of Pittsburgh supported this project at the level that they did because the chancellor felt that academic curriculum was really important. NEP support was really a huge component here, is them jumping in and working with us on system design, working with us on the selection of equipment, and that's why you see some of the items that you see in our control rooms that might differ from other schools.
Bring it back blue, we'll do reacts
Great
on
job,
gold.
Bruce.
Blue, and then red, and then gold.
Fly blue.
Here, this will be a great view right by LaFerve, and Keys is right there to finish it.
Evertz was more than a vendor during this process for us, you know, and I think everyone would understand what I mean by that. Some companies are just a vendor. Evertz really was a partner to us. They were extremely involved every single step of the way. They listened to our questions and understood what we were trying to get done. They really took interest in this vision that we had for the facility, not just, okay, well, you need to do replay.
Sometimes I think vendors lose sight that technology is supposed to augment and help customer workflows. I think it's counterintuitive if your customers are changing their workflows to fit within the technology. Really at Evertz, what we're trying to do is create a flexible technology that lets our customers tailor their own workflows and enhance how they're trying to do things. We did do our diligence when it came to replay. And through that process and having 3 or 4 different vendors come in and sit and show us their workflow is what I would say. We saw something that allowed us from start to finish on an event day to have basically a superior workflow. It makes pre-production easier and it makes post-production easier. So what happens during the production, that's obviously a bonus, but every single thing inside the DreamCatcher seems to be so well thought out. Operators coming from an EVS workflow, they can sit down and learn it easily and quickly. We've got kids that come in, they love the touch screens. So some operators don't use the touch screens, some operators absolutely love them. And that's just what I would say, is there's multiple ways to get something done, and I think that gives a lot of freedom to people, and it allows us to employ a wide number of operators. The broadcast industry is a very small industry, so we had a lot of familiarity with the people and the staff at Pitt Studios.
The Pirates were the first to take it on. The Penguins picked it up, and we've had extensive experience with it at Heinz Field since the Steelers have adopted it as well. So now there's this little family of DreamCatcher operators in the city. Hopefully we can create a group of users that can go out and work in the field. You know, all along the way in this process, Evertz was with us on the system design. What we're building as a facility is a little more comprehensive than some places. And the scalability and the flexibility that the DreamCatcher allows us is a really crucial part of this. I don't think any other vendor or any other technology company was here more than Evertz.
I think it's a testament to our service and support that Pitt Studios, prior to the sale, came and asked for our support staff by name. The people who are designing your system with you, the people who are installing your system, the people who are training your staff are the same people you call when you have questions.
It's gotten to the point where someone like Brandon is, you know, kind of a part of our team. He can walk into our facility and everybody here knows him. We were all friends, and when he's here for one of our events, it feels like he's just any other person on the crew. The training, the commissioning, the time they spent making sure we understood the workflow and how to get things done, I can't say enough about it. This is a leading research university, and people here do incredible things every day. So with the technology we've put in place and with the people we're putting in place as teachers and as mentors, we feel pretty strongly that over the next 5 to 10 years, we're going to take a great leap forward.